Most people think AI is just a smarter Google, but it's not. You type a question, it spits out an answer, and when it's bland or wrong, you assume the AI isn't that good. The truth is, you're treating a prediction machine like a search engine. AI is more like a fast, capable junior assistant that's eager to help but knows nothing about your world until you teach it. Here's how to turn those generic, boring answers into results you can actually use. The difference between may and wow comes down to how you ask. The first mistake is treating AI like a Google search. You say, write a post about our new product. But the AI has no audience, no tone, and no goal, so it gives you the safest, most average answer possible. The fix is simple. Add context and constraints. Say, write a short Instagram caption for millennial financial professionals, make it dry and sarcastic, highlight how it saves them 5 hours a week, and skip the emojis. Specific in, specific out. The next mistake is stopping at draft 1. You ask once, copy the first thing it gives you, and it sounds robotic because you stopped at the rough draft. The fix is iteration. Treat AI like a coworker, not a vending machine. Start broad, then say, rewrite this in a conversational voice, or add one real-world example. Each round gets sharper, and the best version usually shows up by draft 3 or 4. Another common mistake is overloading the prompt. People try to do everything at once. Analyze this report, summarize it, make a plan, and email my boss. The AI spreads itself thin and misses things. The fix is to chain your requests. First, ask for the top 3 insights, then use those to build a short plan. Then write the email summarizing that plan. One clear step feeds the next, and quality compounds. Creators call this structured prompting. My favorite formula is RACE: role, action, context, expectation. Role is who the AI should be, action is what you want done, context is who it's for, and expectation is what good looks like. For example, act as an executive coach and write a 2-minute script for negotiating a raise. Keep it confident but respectful. When you give it that kind of scaffolding, the results jump from generic to personal. And if you've ever said, it doesn't understand me, that's because you never told it who you are. Start every chat with a quick intro like, I'm a project manager at a construction company. You're my AI assistant. Keep answers short, clear, and practical. Instantly, you're on the same page. Before you hit enter, run this quick checklist. Role, goal, context, constraints, and process. Role, who the AI should be. Goal, what you actually want. Context, who it's for. Constraints, tone and length, and process, which means asking the AI to show its thinking before it gives the final answer. Tell it to list assumptions, outline the plan, and then deliver the polished version. That extra structure makes your results 10 times sharper. If you've ever thought AI just makes stuff up, you're half right. It's not a truth machine, it's a prediction engine. When accuracy matters, tell it to cite sources, link data, and admit uncertainty instead of pretending it knows everything. A simple line like, if you're unsure, say so, changes everything. The real secret isn't using better tools, it's using better prompts. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need to think like a builder giving clear instructions. Role, goal, context, constraints, and process. That's your blueprint. Once you use it, the AI finally starts working for you instead of against you. AI isn't a search box. It's a helper that gets smarter when you give it structure. Stop searching, start instructing, and you'll unlock its real power. This is HackStack. Fast, simple hacks that actually work.